Hey all, welcome to a sneak peek of what's behind the curtain with the new MagicSauce platform. I'm going to make this a whistle-stop ride to try and give you an idea of what's in the platform for you. So when you land, you can either hit the login sign up or hit the let's go button, and what I'll do is it'll take you through to your login screen. So as a new account, what you need to do is hit sign up, and you'll be sent a verification email as well, so make sure you check your spam folder. Haven't known any to land in there yet, but it's always worth a check just in case. Once you're verified, you'll be into the platform, so it lets you know what you'll need to do to be able to see deal flow from startups. But essentially, best thing to do is watch the welcome video. If you're super new to angel investing or early stage investing, then we've got some modules here that takes you through stuff at a really high level. Complete your hub, so that means tell us about yourself. What do you invest in? Why do you invest in stuff? Also include links to your own LinkedIn and stuff like that, so that once you're underway and you want to share stuff with people, you can do. And obviously you can let us know everything you're initially interested in and where you could potentially add any skills or connections if you want to add some value add to the startups that you want to invest in. Obviously you've got to declare what kind of startup you are, and you can add any other detail there as well if you want to upload a bit about yourself or a home page. Over to the actual matching. So obviously what we've got here is a sample of stuff that's pre-matched. These are just dummies. So you can change the stage of discussion with stuff with startups that you're actually talking to. You can use the filters to find exactly the kind of startups you want to find. Obviously we've pre-filled this one, but you can change it to bridge and round, early stage, and it will bring up different types of startup. You're also able to favorite those and filter by favorites. You're also able to filter by favorites and stage. You can mix and match these filters as much as you like to be as prescriptive as you like, and take people through that entire journey. Then when you actually click on any startup, you're able to view the pitch deck, the data room, how much they're raising, how much so far, contact details, get in touch, LinkedIn obviously for any due dill, and the site and location, so you can check all that stuff out as well. Plus you'll get a little bit about them and a snapshot of what stage they're at. Any questions, let me know.